Types of thieves in English. Shoplifter. A person who steals goods from the store. Pickpocket. To steal things out of people's pockets or bags. Looter. Someone who takes advantage of a chaotic situation to steal things. Smuggler. Someone who takes goods or people into or out of a country illegally. Skyjacker. A person who hijacks a plane. Carjacker. To attack in order to rob the driver or to steal the car for another crime. Mugger. Attack someone to steal their money. Pilferer. They steal things, usually small cheap things. Sneak thief. A person who steals things from open doors, windows, etc. Poacher. Someone who catches and kills animals illegally. Porch pirate. Someone who steals packages from other people's doorsteps. Rustler. A person who steals farm animals, cattle, horses, or sheep. Robber. Steals from a person or place, especially using violence or threats. Embezzler. Secretly taking money that belongs to an organization or business you work. Burglar. A person who enters a building illegally in order to steal. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.